Hello and welcome to Spice Box. Pasta is the staple cuisine of the Italians. They have many types in this: spiral, fusilli, penne, spaghetti. And in today's Spice Box, I'll be showing you how to make pasta in white sauce. I'll be using the spiral pasta for this. Come, let's see how to make it. The ingredients needed for pasta in white sauce are 1 cup of spiral pasta, half a cup of bell pepper green, baby corn, bell pepper red, zucchini and bell pepper yellow, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, half a cup of cheese which is grated, and for the sauce I'll be using 2 tablespoons of maida, a pinch of salt and 1.5 cups of milk. To make the white sauce, I'm combining the milk with the maida, a little bit of salt, make sure there are no lumps. I've heated the butter in a pan. I'm sauteing the garlic in this till they turn golden. I'll start adding the vegetables, starting with the bell pepper. Saute this for 2 minutes. I've now added the baby corn and the zucchini. Saute this for another 2 minutes. Let the vegetables remain crunchy. Don't overcook it. The vegetables are nice and crispy. I'll be adding the white sauce mix to this. Add the chili flakes to this and the cheese. Let's bring this to boil before adding the pasta. Stirring continuously, I'll be adding the pasta. Pasta in white sauce is now ready. I'm now serving the pasta. Creamy and steaming pasta in white sauce is now ready to be served. If you want to add more color and vegetables, you can add some crunchy broccoli and carrots to this. Also, make sure you serve this with hot garlic bread. Do give this a try.